Welcome to day 12 of my 30-day Pilates and Yoga wellness journey, Flourish. My name is Annie and welcome to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. This is a gentle beginner yoga flow to help stretch your hips and glutes if you've been sitting a lot and you need to stretch safely and effectively. So get your mat ready and join me. Okay, my friends, let's start lying on your back with your eyes closed, knees bent. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Feel your deep breathing. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Inhale with your knees bent. Close your eyes so you can feel your breath work. Inhale and exhale. Place your hands on your ribs and your abdomen to feel the breathing. Inhale as you expand your ribs as you inhale and exhale through your nose. And when you're releasing a lot of air out of your lungs, one more deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Now place your hands out of your side extended and feel the lovely stretch on your shoulders. As you inhale, gently lower both knees on one side. I'm lowering it to the right as I slowly turn my head to the left. Feel that lovely stretch on your ribs all the way down to your hips. Inhale and exhale. One more deep breath in this position. Slowly turn your head further to the left. As I exhale, slowly place your knees back to the center, pointing to the ceiling. Then switch it up to the other side. Slowly lower your knees on the left as I slowly turn my head to the right. Inhale and exhale. Release the tension of your neck and shoulder as you further stretch. Inhale and exhale. As you inhale, slowly go back to the center and then exhale as you go back to the center. Then slowly lift both knees towards your chest and reach it with your hands. Slowly pull it closer to your chest. Inhale, exhale. My 30-day wellness journey is great for absolute beginners and inflexible. So this is a great way to stretch as you slowly pull it towards your chest. Inhale, exhale. One more deep breath. Feel that deep stretch on your hips and your buttocks. Inhale, and as you exhale, slowly do a gentle circle on both knees all the way to your hips. You can start clockwise first, gently. Inhale and exhale. 4 more. And let's go reverse, circle, gentle, counterclockwise. With your breathing, 2 more. Last circle and exhale. Now slowly open your knees apart and pull it away from each other. And hold that position. Gentle pressure down to the mat. As you inhale, exhale, hold. Now slowly reach for your feet and your big toes. Grab your big toes and clasp it with your hands. Gently pull it further on your big toes towards your chest as much as you can as you feel the deep stretch on your hip groin area. You take a deep breath and exhale. Now slowly rock side to side to feel the deep mobilization of your hips. Inhale and exhale. As you inhale, slowly place your feet down to the mat and reach for your right foot and reach for your big toe to isolate your right hip. So I'm pressing my knee down towards the mat. My foot is facing up, the sole of my foot towards the ceiling as I inhale, and exhale, slowly extend my knee as much as I can. If you can't lock your knee yet, let go of your hand of your big toe and reach behind your thigh. And try to pull and lock and stretch. Then slowly bend again and reach for your big toe towards the mat. As you exhale, extend, boom. And reach down for absolute beginners behind your thigh and gently pull your hamstrings and stretch. As you inhale, slowly your right foot down to open up your hip groin area as much as you can, of course, with your knee straight. And as you exhale, slowly cross it past midline. Feel that beautiful stretch and toes pointing away to feel that lovely stretch the outside of your ankle all the way down your hip and glute. One more time. Inhale, slowly lower to the side with the other knee bent to support your back. As you exhale, lift and cross it your body. Slowly lower it down, and we're going to switch it up to the other foot. Reach for your big toe with your hand. Lower down the mat, keeping the other knee bent to support your spine. Inhale and exhale. Now gently extend your knee as much as you can. But as I said, if it's this too challenging, hold the other hand and let go of your big toe and pull it towards both your hands behind your thigh to stretch your hamstrings with your knee straight. Inhale and exhale. Reach over again with your big toe. As I said, you don't have to do this if it's too difficult because of your flexibility. Push it down to the mat as you inhale and exhale. As you inhale, extend again your knee. Hold on at the back of your thigh. Then slowly lower your foot down to the side. To open your hip, inhale and exhale, go up, go past the midline and point your toes away. Feel that beautiful stretch on the outside of your ankle all the way down towards your glutes. Inhale, slowly open it again, lower to the side. Feel that beautiful stretch of your hip groin area. As you exhale, slowly go past midline, toes pointing away. Feel that beautiful stretch. Now slowly place your foot down, arms to the side, and make a W position on your elbows, palms up. Extend your right knee. Extend your right knee, cross over your left foot over on the outside of your right knee. Gently reach on the outside of your left knee and gently twist and lower to the side and turn your head away from your left knee and your head is turned towards the left to feel the deep stretch on your back and your glute. Inhale and exhale. 2 more deep breaths. Last one. And exhale and let go. Now place your right hand up and beside you and extend your left knee and bend your right knee, cross over your right foot over your left knee, outside of your knee. Reach over and cross over your right knee to slowly lower your right knee down towards the left and gently turn your head towards the right. As you inhale, exhale, release the tension of your hips. Now slowly let go, and we are slowly hugging both knees again. Inhale and exhale. Now we're going to do circles, and we're going to circles on both knees, feeling a gentle circles. So I'm doing it in and out, away from each other, back to the center. Inhale and out. 2 more. As you inhale, exhale, last one. And now we'll do reverse, in towards the middle and slowly going out, in and out. 2 more. Last one. And as you exhale, extend both knees now and feel that lovely stretch on your hamstrings, toes pointing to the ceiling, and hold this stretch. Inhale. As you exhale, pull your toes towards you. Inhale, point towards the ceiling. Exhale, toes towards you. 2 more. Last one. And now slowly lower it down and slowly sit up gently. And we are going to do a gentle mermaid position in sitting up. So your right knee and your right foot is facing towards back with your foot and knee near your buttock, and your left foot is in front of you. And gently arms out, extend, exhale, pull center. Inhale, extend again, and gently turn your body away from your turn towards the left, twisting, keeping your palms up, elbows straight, and gently pull your elbows in. Then exhale, extend. Then slowly go back to the center. Now twist towards my right. Inhale, still palms up, elbows straight. As you exhale, pull it towards the center to the waist and bend and feel the stretch. Inhale, extend, keeping my eye gaze straight, and exhale, back center. Last set. Then twist to the left. Inhale, exhale, pull your elbows towards your waist. Inhale, extend, and gently turn back center to the center. Feel the lovely stretch on your back and your hip joint, keeping your back straight, neutral spine. Now twist to the right, last one. Pull your elbows in, exhale, extend, and then back center. Now switch it up to the other side. This time my left foot is behind me, my right foot is in front of me. Extending my arms. As I inhale, gently pull it in, keeping my back straight. This helps your mind yourself, keeping it straight and steady. One more time, bend, palms up, exhale up. Gently turn your head towards the left. Inhale, then exhale, bend your elbow towards your waist. Inhale, extend, center. Now twist to the other side. Now I'm twisting to the right. Bend my elbow in, exhale, extend, and then back center. Last one. Inhale, bend your elbows, exhale, extend, Last one to the other side. Inhale, exhale, extend, and down. Now place your feet together. And if this is hard for you to do a butterfly stretch with your knees really high, that's fine. Slowly press it down, keeping your back straight and look up, keeping your spine engaged as you inhale and exhale. Slowly push it down. And it's okay if you can't push it all the way down yet. Arms out, inhale, twist to the left, exhale back to the center, twist to the right with the arms extended, elbows extended. Last one to the left, inhale, and then last one to the right, exhale. Now gently reach overhead like a mountain pose. Feel that butterfly position. Place your hand together, slowly lower it down. And that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed day 12, a gentle beginner yoga flow to help mobilize your hips gently. And if you have any questions, suggestions, leave a comment down below or direct message me on my social media. If you find value on my workouts about Pilates, yoga, and physical therapy, health and wellness, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you won't miss any of my 30-day Pilates and yoga wellness journey, Flourish, and sign up on my website at anniepilatesphysicaltherapist.com/flourish so you won't miss any of my daily emails reminding you to show up on the mat. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. See you tomorrow, day 13. Bye!